Dear listener, this is Wasim from ittechbd.com. Today I am going to show you how to monitoring server performance. First we need to know what is performance. What is monitoring server performance? One server or local PC have many devices. Processor, RAM, motherboard, and also have hard disks. So network card, LAN card call. So this server device monitoring very important, because if you know how can monitor this device, then you can take decision which hard device, your device, which one needs change and before damage. Okay, so now I'm going to show you. Go to your server manager. This is our server manager dashboard. Here click tools, click here computer management, then coming here computer management dialog box. Here you click performance, then you see here memory, network interface, physical hard disk, processor information, but here showing. But if you want to monitoring by showing by diagram or chart, then you click here open resource monitor. Click here, then see this is CPU. So CPU work good or not, you can monitor. This one is go high, then you and come down, then you know this one goodly not work, then you can take decision. This is disk, means this is hard disk, this is network, this is RAM, memory card, this one. So this now goodly working, this server device showing here. But if any one problem, here showing you everything, how kbps and this network utilize 0%, because network now you see I configuring server, now disconnect net, then why, that's why showing 0%. Then hard disk showing percentage up and down, memory also up and down, CPU, then minimum maximum frequency showing here. So like this way you can monitor your server. Monitor is very important. If you monitor every day or weekly or 2 days 3 days, after 2 days 3 days, then you can know which device goodly working or not, and which device need change. Then you before damage, example your company, this is main server, so your hard disk damage, also you backup some file to another server or PC. Okay, no, if you not backup, then your hard disk damage, then you can lost all data and you need again replace. So this is problem. So like this way you can monitoring server performance. So if you feel any problem, please comment me, I will try to solve your problem. If you benefited from this tutorial, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for